Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show the assembling of an IKEA office chair. As you all know, IKEA is a multinational furniture brand. They specialize in do-it-yourself furniture and kitchen appliances and home accessories. And I'm very happy to share with you all that the first IKEA store is going to come in Hyderabad. Being in Hyderabad, I'm very happy and proud about it. And last month they had a IKEA India contest, and once again I'm happy to share with you all that I was one of the winners of the contest, because of which me along with my family could go on a 3-day trip to Bangkok and be on the sets of the commercial which is being made for India. So the second day we went on a sightseeing tour, and on the third day we were taken to the Bangkok IKEA stores, where we were taken on a guided tour, and we also could do a bit of shopping. So this particular office chair was bought there. They specialize in all these flat packs. As you will see in the video, each flat pack comes with a manual, and the manual says it all. You don't need to read anything. It comes with pictures, and also the tools are given to assemble the particular product. So it's very easy to assemble. You don't need any technical expertise. Anybody in the house can do that. So it was the day we came back to India, my sons just assembled it, and so we took an impromptu video. Maybe the lighting is bad in that, but I just wanted to share and tell how easy it is to make assemble all these things. And this is my way of giving big thanks to IKEA for having given me a chance to visit Bangkok and see their stores. That was my first visit, and so I thought I'll share this video of making the office chair. Hope you all like this video, and please leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.